morning, gang. My dude the Dashers, man. Back like I'm never left, man. Just want to let y'all know, man, we got the Type S back about a week ago. Man, it cost me a lot of money, man. And I learned my mistakes, you know what I'm saying? But hey, you got to face it on the head, right? But we about to go to this little car meet, Cars and Coffee over there at North Phoenix area. But want to just tell y'all, man, I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're about to go crazy in April. It's actually the 1st, so you know you got Easter coming up and stuff. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We about to drop more content. We back on the grind. We about to go to the car wash real quick and get her cleaned up. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all, man. Shelby. Yeah, this is Shelby. Oh, engines. Yeah, this a Corvette? Man. Jeez. LS3 boy. Carbon fiber. That's nice.
Check it out. So,
That's nice.
your grandpa always talked about it.
GT2 RS. This is nice. This is a real race car. Track monster. This is a track monster. You know how much this car is? This car like $400,000.
Really?
Yeah, this is expensive. Yeah,
This is my first time being.
Elon in love. He want to touch all the cars. Ooh, he would have a flip out. He would want to get in every car.
I know.
He can't get in these cheap cars.
He would want to get every car.
Yeah.
You know he gonna pick a good car.
Oh yeah. Especially these cars. I think this is this the new one? Wow, look at the carbon rims on the joints, man. Little carbon fiber rims. Wow. This is a new Z06 one. Damn, and y'all do know they come with a radiator in each inlet. Got the red guts with the carbon fiber bucket seats. Bro, those wheels are crazy. This your ride?
Sure.
She's bad, man. Badass. Is that a rare option for the carbon fiber? It's a rare option, huh? That's beautiful, man. Jesus. Wow. Carbon wing. CAR. Jesus. Hold on. LM002. This is before the Urus came out. Way before this time. Look at this color on this thing, man. Jeez. Man, this is crazy. I'm like, I think it's a wrap. Talking about bling, right? Look at the license plate. That's something you like. You talking about taking somebody to Applebee's? Road legal.
So it's gotta be like this size.
64 horsepower. That's crazy. This thing's got to weigh like less than 2,000 pounds, like 2,500 pounds.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So 94, when people see that horsepower, yeah.
Yeah,
Put a little turbo on it, yeah, that's it.
Covered away for sure.
I like his license plate, no NSX.
Yeah, definitely not.
Yeah. This the baby NSX. Pretty mature joint. Got the Koenig wheels. Twin turbo. Yeah, he got a lot of stuff done. Hit it for the one time. This ain't no rabbit.
Was that the kitty that you're looking for?
This is brand new.
What's this called?
This is a Mercedes Benz AMG.
How you going with
It's
that?
an AMG. It's performance. SL55. I never even seen one of these. Got a white, nice look. R30, I said R33, GTR. I already know my GTRs like this, but you know, it's an older model, G34. Yeah, it's a V-spec. A V-spec. I think it's a R34 or yeah, R34 V-spec. It's beautiful. Look, this what Kyrie needs. A right-hand drive, so because you be driving in the middle. Shelby boy. Oh, look at the little baby. Yeah. Come on. No corner? Okay. Okay. They said no corner.
with you. Get the f out of here!
I'm not on your property no more, sir.
You are so you.
You don't own the water, sir.
Mr. Regulator. Alright, gang. My dude, Dashers, man. We out this thing. About to get into the Type S, man. How y'all like the new exhaust 7? Got the Ferrari behind us. Time for what, G? Damn, Jesus. It's a beautiful day, y'all.